तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Spirituality is the way in which a person understands and lives life in the view of her or his ultimate meaning, beliefs and values. Namaskar. I, Dr. Ruchi Goswami, welcome you all to the fifth session of the International Public Relations Conference. India has been and will always be the spiritual leader of the world, as we Indians always believe that a day should begin with the name of God. In this light, we begin our session, which is all about spirituality enlightening our lives. Today, we have with us the dignitaries on the dais, Sri Mukesh Gupta, Chairman, Graphics at New Delhi, who will be sharing the session. A big applause for Mukesh sir. The other respected speakers are Sister B.K. Hussain, Brahma Kumari Ashram, Gurugram, H.H. Acharya Mani Mukesh ji, World Peace Ambassador of New Delhi. A big applause for sir. Sri D.V. Shastri sir, ex-Executive Director, GAIL India Limited, New Delhi. We welcome you all, sir. I now request Ajit Pathak sir to felicitate all the guests. मैं अनुरोध करूंगी अजीत सर से कि वे हमारे सभी सम्मानीय अतिथियों का स्वागत करें. Token of respect. गुरुओं का स्थान बहुत ऊपर होता है. गुरुओं से हम कुछ गुरुओं को दे नहीं सकते, बस गुरुओं से हम ले बहुत कुछ सकते हैं. तो हमारे सब गुरुजनों के लिए again a token of respect. A small token of respect from ITC Group. A token of remembrance also. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We now like to invite Sister B.K. Hussain for her wisdom words. Before I just call her, I just have a small brief about ma'am. She has been practicing Raj Yoga meditation as taught by the Brahma Kumaris for more than 20 years. After doing an MBA from NMIMS, Mumbai, she worked as an analyst for the brief period before dedicating herself to the service of humanity. Presently, she is serving as a senior Raj Yoga faculty at the Om Shanti Retreat Center since 2013, which is Brahma Kumari's largest North India retreat campus. She also hosts Brahma Kumari's TV programs, lectures and discussions on various topics related to spirituality, social issues, health and wellness, youth and women. She conducts behavioral trainings and workshops in various corporate firms also, education institutes, government organizations for national and international participants. In the past few years, she has accelerated her efforts to the teachings of Brahma Kumaris to connect people of all religions through interfaith, and we are honored to have ma'am with us today. I now request ma'am to share her wisdom words with us all. And again, a big round of applause for ma'am. Ma'am, please.
Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Incidentally, the topic that I've been given is the mantra of Om Shanti. First of all, thank you very much for inviting us, and congratulations to all the organizers, because you can have a conference, but to actually have a dedicated session wherein you are experiencing and calling the spiritual leaders, I think that is again something which tells about your spirituality. So I think that you should give a big round of applause for your own self. about public relations. Somebody asked me while I was entering, जब हम पब्लिक रिलेशंस की बात करते हैं तो हमारे मन में क्या आता है? Who is a great public relation person? कौन होगा वो? कुछ आप में से यंगस्टर्स हैं, what do you think? कौन होगा वो? जब भी आप किसी इवेंट में जाते हैं, किसी प्रोग्राम में जाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं वी आर ऑल्सो नेटवर्किंग, वी आर ट्राइंग टू नेटवर्क विद पीपल, वी आर कनेक्टिंग विद पीपल. लेकिन कनेक्शन कहाँ पे आता है? जब हम केवल कार्ड्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, टेलीफोन नंबर्स एक्सचेंज करते हैं, हमारा पब्लिक रिलेशन हो जाता है. हम जब वाइब्रेशंस एक्सचेंज करते हैं, हमारी एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी होती है जब हम दूसरों के हृदय को टच कर सकें, तो चाहे कितने भी साल बीत जाएंगे, यू विल ऑलवेज बी इन टच विद दैट पर्सन. लेकिन अगर आपने कोई कार्ड एक्सचेंज किया होगा लेकिन राइट वाइब्रेशंस एक्सचेंज नहीं किए होंगे, तो वो संबंध नहीं बनता. सो आई थिंक दैट स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज डीपली डीपली कनेक्टेड विद पब्लिक रिलेशंस. Because when you are connecting with public, what is the basis? अगर आपके व्यवहार में शांति नहीं है, अगर आपके व्यवहार में स्नेह नहीं है, अगर आप एक दो को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दे पा रहे, तो आप सही मायने में एक दो से कनेक्ट नहीं हो सकते. वो एक सुपरफिशियल हो जाता है जिससे ना आप संतुष्ट रहते हैं और ना दूसरा संतुष्ट रहता है. So in order to really have great public relations, you need to have the core spiritual values in yourself. लेकिन वो core spiritual values तो हम सब में है या नहीं है? How many of you think कि वो सारी जो values हैं, शांति की, peace की, प्रेम की, वो आप सब में है? How many of you think like that? किस किस में है हाथ उठाए? और कौन सोचते हैं कि नहीं है? सबने हाथ नहीं उठाया. नहीं है आप में? अच्छा, कईयों ने हाथ उठाया कि मेरे अंदर वो वैल्यूज नहीं है. और इसीलिए हमें ये मंत्र मिलता है ओम शांति का. ओम शांति का मतलब ही होता है, ओम का मतलब होता है आई एम, और शांति का मतलब होता है पीस, विच मीन्स आई एम पीसफुल. मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहूंगी कि आप सब अनुभव करना चाहेंगे पीस? तो क्या हम थोड़ा सा मेडिटेशन करें, थोड़ा सा अनुभव करें? क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स आप टॉक करेंगे, आपका सारा दिन है, यू आर इंटेलेक्चुअल, यू नो एवरीथिंग. अगर मैं आपको, आप में से किसी एक को बुलाऊं तो हो सकता है आप मुझसे अच्छा भाषण कर लें. लेकिन let us just experience together. How many of you are ready to experience? Give me a show of hands. Okay, so all of you. So we are going to do a little bit of a relaxation plus meditation. आप में से सबको हिंदी समझ में आती है और इंग्लिश? अगर अंग्रेजी है तो I'll speak in English.
English better, ma'am.
Okay. All right, I'll speak in English, no problem. So I will just request you to just sit back, completely relaxed. Okay. So you may not record me, there are cameras getting recorded. I will really tell you, just sit back, keep your things away, put your feet flat on the ground, and if possible, be hands free. Keep your things on the next empty chair, keep your hands open and free. Your back is straight. If you want, you can even close your eyes. If you want, you keep your eyes open. But if your eyes are open, just rest your vision anywhere in front of you. So just look at your mind. You will be thinking many things. How you commuted to this place, what all happened in the morning, what is it that you need to do. But for some time, I'm going to bring my attention in the present. And also ensure that I'm breathing normally and deeply. So I want you to take a deep and a gentle breath in and out, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe deeply yet gently, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you are breathing out, experience that your stress is going out with your breath. As you are breathing in, experience peace. Once again, as you're breathing out, you throw out your anger. If there is any anger, irritation, let it go. As you're breathing in, experience calm. Again, take a deep breath out. As you're breathing out, you let go of your fear, your worries. And as you're breathing in, experience peace. And as you do that, you also just relax your whole body and loosen all the muscles. Your toes, your ankles, keeping your eyes closed if you want, your legs, relax your stomach, your back, drop your shoulders, your hands are relaxed, your neck and your face. So completely relax your face, let there be no tension. And create a gentle smile on your face, a smile for your own self, a smile which I deserve. And now just observe that your breathing is normal, your body is relaxed, and you have a smiling face. And in this state, now move inwards and just visualize a very beautiful point of light in the center of the forehead. See yourself as a beautiful point of light. This is who I am, a being of peace, a being of light, separate from this physical body. And as I experience myself, I also experience the protection of the Almighty. And as you sit like this, experience that vibrations of peace are coming from your forehead and spreading all around you. And you are being surrounded by deep, peaceful vibrations. For the next few moments, I want you to sit in complete silence and just experience the peace which you carry within yourself. And very gently, simply open your eyes and don't do anything else. And simply look at your own mind. And I'm going to ask you a question. How many of you experienced peace? Don't do anything else, no need to rub hands, don't do anything, just maintain this awareness. And just check how many of you experienced peace, even if it was for a fraction of a second. How many of you experienced peace? Just raise your hand, all of us, even if it was for a short time. Okay? How many of you experienced happiness or lightness? Raise your hand. How many of you in this short time experienced that your anger is gone? You were irritated and that's gone. Just raise your hand if that happened right now. How many of you experienced more power or stability or concentration? Raise your hands. And last question. How many of you can see your mind? Earlier you had a lot of thoughts. What was going on? Right now also there are thoughts. But the quantity of thoughts have reduced a lot. Right? So now you're thinking lesser. Raise your hands if you are. Now the question is, you all experienced peace at least, right? It was a full house. Who gave you that peace? मैंने आपको वो शांति दी? Who gave you that peace? I did not give you. I've come all the way from Gurgaon, traveled so long. Took 1.5 hours to travel. So who gave you that peace?
You have shown the path to get the peace.
So I did not give you.
You have given us the direction.
So where is the peace? That's why.
I gave 1 minute.
Given us.
You are already peaceful. So basically, you are carrying this peace always within you. Even when there is chaos, still you have that peace. We give this example of a refrigerator. Let's say there's a refrigerator. You open the door and if you stick your head in, what will you feel? Cold, chill. If it's a warmer weather, and still if you open the refrigerator and if you stick your head in, what would you feel? Chill? So the temperature inside is cool always. Similarly, inside I, the soul, am peaceful, happy, light, powerful. Make sense? तो जब हम ओम शांति बोलते हैं, I am remembering that I am peaceful. जब हम बोलते हैं I am stressed, I am fed up, I am completely exhausted, तो हम रेफ्रिजरेटर के दरवाजे और उसके बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट से कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. लेकिन जब हम अपने आप से कनेक्ट होते हैं, वो है ओम शांति का मंत्र. Another question to you is, जब आप अपने आप को ऐसा महसूस करते हैं, when if this is your state of mind, and when you are interacting with people, how do you think the interaction would be? If this is your state of mind, and if you are even dealing with somebody difficult, how do you think the whole interaction would be? Will it be better or will it be the same? If you are peaceful, you are calm,
Better.
it will be better, right? And you are in a better position to make meaningful connection. Imagine a person who is actually radiating peace, who is looking happy also. And there is a person who is grumpy. अगर आपको उससे बात करनी है किसी से, तो who is more approachable? The person who is happy, the person who looks peaceful also, the person who is radiating that happiness. So you become a walking PR, agency, because you'll attract everyone who would want to speak to you, not because you're beautiful or anything, because you're radiating that energy. You may be very well dressed, but your vibrations, you're grumpy, you're tensed. People will say, don't talk to him, he looks a little different, mood theek nahi hai, we do rehna. So I can become a walking agency without any effort, just by remembering that I am Om Shanti. I am peaceful. Right? So I don't want to take a lot of time because I know that you know everything. But I would like to just give a few suggestions. You know it. But I invite you to experience it every day. Every day of your life. And when you just experienced it, how much time did we spend? How many hours did we spend to change the state of mind? How many hours? A few minutes? And how much effort did you make? कितने आपने पसीना बहाया, कितना दौड़ भाग कर? Nothing. You're sitting where you are in a comfortable chair, wearing that same dress, right? And how much money did you spend?
Zero.
Nothing. No resources, no equipment. You're sitting here, you haven't used any resource. And so therefore, in order to experience my peace, I just need a few moments of pausing from my day-to-day life, wherever I am, whoever I am. And when I do that, I connect to the divine. That's the second step. And when I connect to the divine, who's the ocean of peace, Paramatma, I come into the divine protection. Right? So, just think about it, that if every morning you're beginning your day like this, imagine the quality of your day. If during the day you're able to take out a few moments to connect with yourself and God, how will your next work will be? And when you close your day, just before you're going off to sleep, think about the quality of sleep that you have and the effect that it will have on your personality, on your face, on your relationships. This is the mantra of Om Shanti, and this is how you can actually be a great PR person. And I wish you all the very best. Om Shanti.